Welcome back, H&E family. Woo, I'm about to fall, you guys. It is day 2, and we're at the beach today, like for real this time. We just got here. The water's a little cool right now. It's kind of, I think it's like 10-ish or 11-ish in the morning. I haven't looked at my watch. But yeah, enjoying some sun. Haven't been out. Oh man, it feels so good to be out. It feels so good. Hopefully you guys can hear me over the waves. Yeah. There's Mr. Harry CK. Look, I cannot stand still in the sand. I'm sinking down. But you guys were having such a good time. We needed this break. Oh my goodness. Work has been... Oh God. I just saw a fish jump in the wave. Like right here. Fish? Yeah, a little fish. But I don't be swimming with the fishes, okay? With the fishes. But yeah, so we're having a really good time. Just trying to relax. See what we're gonna get into today. Got anything to say? Freezing, man. Say to the fam, it's not that cold. Let's do it. I'm gonna pass it over to my hubby.
Hi guys, how y'all doing? Man, this water is really cold. As it is now, I can't wait to dive in.
You're not diving in nowhere.
I will. The wave keeps, coming hard. Like, it's crazy, man. But it looks like it's beautiful. The water's beautiful. Not like some other waters I've been seeing around. I don't even look clean. Like, you guys can see it.
Oh.
I think I need to go put my phone down, so I can actually like go right in. All right. Okay, guys, there's more to come.
Oh. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm right here. The water's pretty loud, but I'm sitting down in the water. I'm like, I was out there trying to be out there, but that sand was making me sink in, so I didn't want to be holding the camera and drop the camera. Can't find the camera in the water, so we're not about to do that. Harry CK,
yeah.
How's it going?
It's been good so far. Like everything.
You probably gotta come closer.
There's a lot of fun going on out here, and everything just looks beautiful. Fine. And there's still more to come.
There's still more to come. Oh, I'm getting situated in the sand. We're just enjoying this water, you guys. Just listening to the waves crash. I mean, I'll be playing this on YouTube at night sometimes to help me fall asleep. But this is the real thing. Maybe I should record it on my phone so I can like, oh yeah, that's actually from the beach, the real beach. I don't think I could live in a place like this because I would never want to go to work. I don't know if you guys can see Harry. He just looks like a little dot on the screen to me. But I'm over here relaxing, and he wants me to come down there and record him, and I will not be doing that. Can we zoom in? Maybe I can zoom in editing, because Erica's not getting up right now. Erica's relaxing. But finally he's gotten into the water. I will not be going out there to try to save his life, because he is not a real swimmer. I'll scream for help though. He's watching the waves, making sure one don't come and hit him and knock him out. There you see the people with the wave runners, the jet skis coming past. Ooh, it's Harry CK. So we're just chillaxing, you guys, laying out on our little thingy. I don't know what to call it. Beach blanket thingy. Harry CK. Just enjoying some beverages.
I'm here relaxing. Cheers.
Yeah.
That was too fast.
We're just out here, you know, working on our tan because, you know, we've been stuck in the house for a year.
Was no good.
Right.
Stuck in the house.
Trying to get that little sun kiss look.
Now the feel is different with the sun, you know, on top of you. That's a good feel. Yeah.
And it's not humid out here, which is really nice. So
it's not cold too.
Well, I hope not, because then we came to the wrong beach.
No, it's not cold.
we ain't come this far to be cold. So I mean, the water, you know, is cooler because it's still, you know, March. So I guess the ocean hasn't really fully heated up yet up here. But once it start hitting your body, you start to get used to it. So it's not that bad. Yeah. I know up north, like if we were in Maryland, it would be freezing. You probably wouldn't even want to touch the water.
The weather is not faking. Just like the weather here is just what it is.
Yeah.
But over there, one day it looks different, the other day it has changed.
Yeah.
You know, something should stick the way it is. It's not like you keep changing from A to C instead of A to B, you know. I'm tired of that cold.
It's supposed to have some nice weather right now. I think it's supposed to be like almost 80 or at 80 or something like that. I don't know. But we ain't there. We here. So yeah, so we'll be here for a little bit longer and, you know, take some more pictures. Cause, I mean, if you don't have pictures, did it really happen?
And we will actually be going to some different spot, you know, after, you know, we leave here. Yeah. You know, so our day is just we still getting started for today.
Yeah.
We'll leave here, we'll go to a different spot, you know, just from one spot to another, you know. Capture every videos that, you know, we need to capture.
Alright.
So till late, you know.
It's kind of nice not having to be anywhere. It's like, don't have to be at work. Don't have to be on those Zoom calls for me.
That's a good feel.
Like,
that's a good feel.
Lord. That's all we need. Oh, we see you guys in the next clip.
Alright, man. Yeah, we're out again. Now we're on our way to the South Beach. That's some good art right there. I'm sure y'all can see this. It looks so nice. Oh man, yeah. That's some pure art. That's some rose flower at the bottom. Yeah, the building's so round. Yeah. What's that? We belong here. That's what it says. So yeah, we belong here.
What's up, guys?
even though we're from Maryland, but yeah, we belong here. We're here right now, so yes, that makes sense.
Because we were trying to catch the bus, but the bus broke down, and the way this road is set up, it's blocking the road.
Yeah,
so,
everywhere looking so like tight. Like y'all can see.
Nice cars you can rent.
And it's sunny too. Weather looking so good. You know, I wouldn't compare the weather now to the one in Maryland. You know, even though it's like it's sunny down there, but still it's up there, but still it's still cold. you know, you can feel that, you know, chili part of it, you know. So yeah, there's still more to come, guys.
It looks like that.
Oh, sorry. What's that?
Just leave them there for it will fly. Put them there in the yeah. Uh-oh. I
Tired.
think something's wrong with her. Yeah, something's wrong with her. It's gonna die there.
Oh!
Déjalo, it's gonna
About
bite.
to attack.
Yeah.
No, ya no lo puedo agarrar.
No, déjalo.
It's coming out.
¿Era un búho o qué?
No sé, no sé. Lo rescaté de la tienda, se metió a la tienda, pero... ¿Sí? No, pero ya no lo puedo agarrar porque ya me quiere morder. Está muy estresado.
Déjalo que se relaje.
I don't know.
I don't know what kind of bird is that weird bird.
Bird.
Yeah,
Pero I don't know. That's some type of weird bird though.
Was with Rafael, and when I talked with Rafael,
They featured some artists. I don't understand that part. Oh, artists. No, they're not talking about music artists. That's the restaurant, Paul. All the way in Miami Beach.
Like we're here.
Right. Let's show a little bit of people. Hello, H&E family.
What's up, guys? So we're about to end the night. We just left Victory Lounge. We had some clips from Victory Lounge, right? Yeah. If you follow us on, you'll see on Instagram. If you follow us on Instagram, I'll probably post some things there, so you would have already seen it. Cause who knows when this video will go up? But
don't know.
We have an early morning tomorrow, so you guys will see that where we're going. We're not gonna say it.
Right.
It probably will be a separate video because it's gonna be all day. We're gonna be gone
All day.
Yes.
Like all day.
Yes. So this is like our anniversary dinner.
Right.
As much as it costed, it's our anniversary dinner.
Very expensive.
Yeah, it's a little pricey,
Very
but
expensive.
you know, it was for the experience. We had fun,
Right.
and we'll see you guys in the next video.
All right, guys. Catch you guys on the next video. Bye.